Snyder was skeptical whether it would work or not. Zeno said that he had already explained it thousands of years ago, when the swallow statues were already covered with a glass bulb and soaked in nitric acid. He was explaining when his friend told him to shut up. He felt that as long as these people obeyed and stayed awake, everything would be fine. Then the stone statues cracked. The muscular boys, no, not boys, but the boy's breath, woke up. Zeno had poured nitric acid on these stone statues, but it depended on who had the will to wake up. The time was uncertain. The girl was sure that these people were Snyder's soldiers and would listen to his orders and wake up. Carlos had also woken up. As soon as he woke up, he called out to Miss Though and that. While he was facing the girl, a ring came out of his mouth. Everyone turned back to look because it was the first time they saw this strange vase. The bald guy saw that this ring was still intact. Snyder thought that was natural because it had been in the mouth of a rock for thousands of years. Zeno picked it up and was very excited because it was platinum. He had started to think about his future. He was thinking about the future when the martial arts master was summoned and he would become the leader of the world. With this ring he could create a large amount of nitric acid and collect so much gunpowder that he would never be able to use it all. To do that, of course, he needed a few more unpaid workers. Immediately they were rewarded and revived. After securing a certain force, he was heading towards the golden corn. He would find a suitable place to grow crops and build a way there. By ensuring the necessary living needs, he then started to produce gunpowder. At the same time he refined the metal and improved the precision of the processing machinery. Finally, after many hardships, he successfully created a gun, which was the first gun in the world. Snyder was able to test the gun. With his shooting ability, he had already hit it with one shot. Zeno praised him endlessly, feeling that with his support, the two of them could be at the top of the science and military fields of this stone world.